Let's continue on this. I want you from now to remember the cake example I gave you. All what I shared with you was a cake. Meaning, if I put the nasal drop, maybe the cake will be burned. Right? So far we learned this, alhamdulillah, and I avoided all this, and now I have a cake out. So all the billions of Muslims bake the cake. My goal now is to garnish the cake. I don't want to give Allah ordinary cake. Subhanallah. I want my cake to be the best. And this is what you need to learn. How to improve, beautify, not improve, beautify my fast. What do I do? Things that is not very hard, I just don't think of it. To put this beautiful chocolate frosting, and then I'm going to put like roses. So think of this. And we're going to go to this one by one. Number one, break your fast quickly. I'm not talking about you're going to have to eat all the 9 yards, but the dates and a sip of water, that's it. And haste, quickly. The moment you hear Allahu Akbar, when the Maghrib is there, you go and do it. And you're not doing it because you're hungry. And you're not doing it because, well, it's in front of me, everybody is doing it. You're doing it because it is sunnah. Because that's an act of worship, and Allah will reward you. And this is what the hadith of Rasul said, لا يزال الناس بخير ما عجلوا الفطر. Human beings, people are in a good shape, in a good status, as long as they quickly break their fast. Quickly. So don't say, I'm still cooking. Oh, wait a minute, let me finish. No. You go and do it quickly. Alhamdulillah, most of us does, but I want you to do it not because you're hungry. I want you to do it because it is sunnah. Meaning, I will get the reward. I'll beautify my cake. So that's number one. The other one here. Look at this hadith. This hadith of Rasulullah where he was fasting. Back to you, Ur. Right? كنا مع النبي في سفر فصام. So we were with Rasulullah in a trip. And he was fasting. We don't know if it's Ramadan or not. فصام. حتى أمسى. Till it is night. قال لرجل, he told a man, انزل فاجدح لي. Go down and bring me some water. The man looked at him and says, can we wait till the evening, till it gets a little bit darker? To Rasulullah. And he said, go and get me the water. The man again said, can't we wait a little bit till it gets a little bit darker? Then he says, get down and mix my container with water and bring it to me. When you see the night falling from this side, the fasting person should break his fast. So break it quickly. It's a sunnah. So that's the first layer of the beauty, of the frosting. Very simple. Doesn't need anything. You tell me, well, I'm driving, I'm at work. Put dates in your car. I got stuck in traffic. Put the date and water in your car. Open the side box and then get it out. And just take one sip. Khalas. But do it because it is a sunnah. So